So now we're going to talk about what is homeschool. Well, homeschool is exactly like it sounds. It is you educating your child at home. Now, all because you are going to be a homeschooling parent doesn't automatically make you an enemy of a public school parent. A lot of new homeschoolers, parents get that kind of confused. We are not their enemy. We are choosing to do what we feel is best for our children. Now, there are several branches of homeschool. There's unschooling, world schooling, road schooling, classical, etc. I will break down to you the 10 different types of homeschooling so you can kind of get an idea of what you want to do and how you're going to decide to homeschool your child. So next we're going to talk about if your child is enrolled in public school already. If you have a child that is enrolled in public school, you will have to unenroll them, which means pull them out of school, and you will have to inform the school that you will be homeschooling. Don't worry, I will be attaching a PDF that you can edit and print and then take to the school, or you can mail to the school to let them know that they are officially unenrolled and they will not be coming back. Now, if you have a child that has never gone to public school, you can go ahead and start homeschooling right away. Now, depending on the state, this is a little bit different because certain states like California wants you to submit certain things for a public, saying that you're, not a public school, a private school at a certain time of year. So each state will be a little bit different, but in general, you can go ahead and start homeschooling right away. Now, as a reminder, homeschool is in many states considered private schools. A state like California doesn't even have the word homeschool come up in any of their laws, which was like a fun trivia fact, right? So you are going to be considered your own private school and you will reap the benefits of that. Now, a common question that a lot of people have is it really expensive to homeschool? Now, homeschooling is going to be what you make it. There are some people who spend little to no money to homeschool, and there are some people who want the most expensive curriculums, and they decide that that's best for their family. Later on, I will be showing you a little bit of both so you can make that decision on your own. I'm also going to give you guys a PDF download of the top 10 homeschool blogs that may help